the.
So we almost lost this forever. So this is put it on the momentum sticker.
Dog, give me that thing
hold
to
this
put on
up,
the
AJ.
dash, nigga. I'm cold as hell.
Hold this up,
nigga.
bitch.
What are you talking about?
Hold it up.
So cold.
Hold it up, AJ.
What thing to put the dash
That
on?
momentum sticker. PG Swift. Yeah.
Oh, nigga. You look like Buddha. Alright, fuck it. Just put this on. Keep recording that.
Do you have your
bitch,
credit
yo.
card?
For what?
Because I need to slide it on.
What happened to
I don't
the
know.
thing? Oh, dog, I think I
Same
took
shit,
it.
though. No, you didn't.
Oh
I saw it
my
afterwards.
god. Alright, let me go get a credit card then. Here, cameraman.
It's lit. Dude, seriously, you need to give me that.
Dog,
That's the
dude,
just-
oh my god, dude. I fucking hit the shit out of a curb yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah, so that shit's so bad, dude.
At your work?
Huh?
At your job?
Nah, it was like 12. And
Dog,
then
it's cold as
I was pulling out the X.
Bitch, hurry up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just sweating, I guess.
Boy.
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, hell no, son. You better do that. I'm
Hey,
cold.
hey.
Is this snowing? I just saw a snow thing, son.
It's cold enough too.
I just saw a fucking snow
Supposedly this
particle.
shit's not even supposed to snow. It's just supposed to be like
It's gonna be 70 on
yeah,
Thursday.
no, it's not supposed to snow. It's gonna be like not cold enough for snow, so it's supposed to like hail or some shit.
Fuck 'em
But I
with
thought it would be
nature.
like the opposite way. It doesn't have to be colder for it to be hail.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so
Do
stupid.
I fill this side off too?
No, bitch. He's gonna do
No,
one
hold on,
side.
let me just- do you
And
have
then-
that side already? No.
He don't even got nails. Look at that.
Hey, chill.
Oh, you look like a fucking Oompa Loompa, boy.
No boy.
Damn it, I got it, but then I put it back.
Bruh, I'm so cold right now.
I just showered too.
Cannot fade.
Oh, it goes like that.
Hey, don't be a dumbass like AJ and let it touch the
Yeah.
window before.
Nah, let it touch that. It's tough.
Just a little bit. Hey, make sure
He's
you
gonna
don't
fuck it
drop
up.
Yeah.
Alright, nice and
AJ,
easy. There
put
you
it-
go.
Tell us where to put it.
Like centered.
Like center it. Don't let it touch the windows.
It's gonna touch the window, son.
Don't let you're way too close to the windows.
Right there? No, put it a little bit lower.
AJ,
on the second line
Make it pull a little.
Pull a little.
Yeah, right there.
Sure?
alright,
Pull a
don't
little
put your
more, pull a
side
little
yet.
more.
Don't put
No,
your
right
side
there,
yet.
That's good, that's good. Bring it down.
Don't put your side yet.
Bring it down.
Hold up.
Nigga, this is crooked as fuck.
No, it's not. No, bro, trust me.
It's going up.
Nigga, someone minus 52,
This
nigga.
thing is going up.
You're not even
Nigga,
gonna
look at
tell
the
us.
line right
Why are you
here.
not even gonna tell that line, dude? Trust me. You can't even tell.
Oh, when you take it off, you're not gonna tell.
Te prometo, mi amor.
Okay, mijo. It's lit.
It's too cold, but it's still lit.
Oh, is that? Did you say you bought the kit for
Yeah.
installing it, but now we're just using my credit
I
card?
lost it, nigga.
Nigga paid
So I
like,
get
what,
the
3
boot
bucks
ass.
extra?
I paid $15 for that, bro.
For the
a credit
kit?
card?
For the kit, yeah.
For something
You
else,
paid
like-
15 extra
No,
on
it's
the
like a
side?
squeegee and then like this thing to clean the windows. Yeah, I paid another 15 on the side.
Nigga.
Yeah, I'm dedicated, nigga. Alright, that's just down.
See, look at this. It just goes up. It starts on the first line over there, and then it comes up like
It's all good, son. It's all good, son.
Alright. Here, hold this, nigga. My hands are gonna freeze off.
Alright, you ready?
It's lit. Go ahead.
No. You know, gotta give it some time, bro.
No, you don't, nigga.
Alright.
Nigga, if this comes out boot ass, I'm gonna be pissed.
If it comes boot out, you probably won't pay me.
Probably.
Yo, did you understand my logic though?
Nah.
Don't pay me for the sticker and just
Wait,
subtract the
you
money.
look like Logic.
Nigga, Logic wishes he was me, nigga.
Nigga.
He's gonna watch this video and be like,
He's like, who the fuck is this? This is momentum, nigga. We always lose. Speaking of lit, can you give me a bottle, nigga?
of course I get you.
Good, son.
Let's not talk about this on camera.
I mean, like a water bottle.
You get me a beep.
Thirsty.
Nigga, there's water bottles right there, my nigga.
Nah, nigga.
Yeah, AJ, start peeling it from that side. 'Cause
Bruh.
it's getting all ripped up. Nigga, move your fucking. Here.
You sure you won't do that?
Relax.
Oh, I already fucked up.
We'll fix it. It's an arts and crafts project, nigga.
It's funny how none of this happened to us.
No, don't you like
fuck
it
you
how this
niggas.
didn't happen to mine, but it started happening to yours?
And then we fixed the bitch.
Yeah, you fixed it, but it still happened. Nigga, you want it to do something?
Nigga, this
There's
is
a page
planted
right
as
there.
fuck.
Nah, bro. I'm telling you, like, if I bring out my fingers.
Nigga, you're telling me.
So that
Just
doesn't
gotta
look
get this
slanted,
little
son.
Nah,
piece.
it I look straight, son.
Yeah.
AJ, you're horrible at
Yeah.
in the middle. AJ,
I was about to say, AJ, you're a
Nah,
problem.
look at
nigga.
this.
Look at
nigga.
this
What are you
nigga.
saying? There's like so much more room on this side. Mine was in this side.
Son, my joint came out tough.
I'm
My
mad
joint came out
Brian
lit.
is the only one that came out first.
So my joint came out perfect.
AJ, you're some ass.
Relax,
Look at
my
this.
nigga.
There's one lit.
Son, look at this, dog. That shit looking bad, son.
That's Supra. Look at it. This is straight.
And we didn't have a
Nah,
third
you know it
person.
blows me because his rearview mirror is window is flat. Ours is curved, nigga.
Oh, yeah. And then number 3. The Stang. Oh, it's on the other side.
It is cold as a turtle.
Yeah, no shit, nigga.
Man,
Turtle
some-
dicks, what the
Dude, you
fuck?
got so much room on the left side.
My man has like 2 feet on the left side and like 2 inches on the right.
I have to put like a penis in here or something.
Now you know what you can get though? You know
Jeez,
what
lads.
stickers are like this?
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah, get one of those guys.
Alright, thanks for installing that, BG Smith. You know, it's lit. It's lit, right?
It's lit.
It's
It's
lit.
lit.
It's so cold too.
It's lit. It is. We out.
We gotta go